From here, it kind of looks like boobs. Doesn't it? Because her eyes are squinted. She's like, don't look at me, let me just enjoy myself.
She's gonna fucking cream all over that blanket.